Hi everyone, it's Jess here and welcome back to my channel. I know it's fall season and it's going to winter soon. However, it's always hot here, so I've made another summer dress that I refashioned from my old maxi dress, and I'm going to share with you the way I did it now. Here's my maxi dress before the transformation. First step, I'm going to make the shoulder strap of the dress by drawing the lines with 4 cm width. I'm drawing 3 lines at the top of the maxi dress right under the neck, so I will have 4 lines of the fabric after cutting. I double fold the fabric lines and use the pins to hold them, then sewing. Because the straps are pretty small, so I use the hair clip to upside them instead of the safety pin as I usually do. Next step, I'm drawing a rectangle with 22 cm width to create the front top of the dress. At two ends of the rectangle, I go up 11 cm and mark there. From the top at each side, I go inside 9 cm and mark another one. Then I connect two marks together. From the middle of the top, I go down 7 cm and mark there. Then I draw an outline from two sides to meet that mark. After cutting, at that outline, I'm making the bind seam to gather the fabric until the width between two ends is 24 cm. It basically is the width of your front chest. Then I'm connecting two pieces of the front part together by the pins. At the top of the front, I put the shoulder strap between them, then sewing. To keep the seam to be in the right position and not move around, I'm sewing another seam to one piece fabric, so it will be the inside part of the front. Then I iron at that seam. After that, I'm overlocking the bottom of the front, then sewing a bi-seam at the bottom of the front to gather the fabric like what I did to the top before. The width of the bottom will be 40 cm, which is half of your underbust size. To the leftover fabric of the maxi dress, I'm cutting it into 3 pieces of fabric with 20 cm length. That means my dress will have 3 layers. I use the zigzag stick to sew along the raw edge of the fabric before making the bi-seam. I gather the fabric together until it has the same width with the end of the front part, which is 40 cm. Then I'm connecting them together by the bins and sewing. Doing the same for the next 2 layers, and I will have the front of the dress. Going to the back of the dress, I'm making the top of the back by drawing a rectangle with the side is 11 cm and 60 cm. From two sides at the top, I go to inside 12 cm and mark there. They will be the positions of my shoulder strap. After the first sewing, I'm sewing another seam at one piece of fabric like what I did to the front before. Then I'm overlocking to protect the draw edge of the fabric. Now I'm drawing the lines with 1 cm width away each other. Then I connect the first layer fabric to the end of the back before sewing the shearing stick at the drawing line. By doing this way, the dress will fit to my body when wearing. Then I connect two other layer fabrics under the first one to finish the back. Next step is connecting the front and the back of the dress together at two sides. Because the fabric can see through, so I add a lining underneath at the top of the first layer. After sewing, we will complete the DIY. I know it's a little bit more work than normal, but the result makes it worth. I really love the way it turns out. It's just perfect for a sunny day outfit. I'm definitely gonna wear it on my next vacation. It's a bit sexy and very floating like summer vibes. Let me know your thinking about this DIY. Like and share if you enjoy it. Subscribe to my channel to check out the other videos and not missing my upcoming one. See you there!